Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As you can see in the title, we are doing an unbagging of the Incredicoaster Wishables series that was released in July. I know it's almost August. This was the first time I've had to unbag these. They arrived while we were actually in Disney World, which was kind of inconvenient because I could have purchased more bags if needed, but I will hopefully just get all four, but then I think there's a chaser too. But let's take a look and see which ones we could find. So here are the four options for this month. You have Mr. Incredible, Mrs. Incredible, Violet, and Dash. Pretty sure the chaser is Mrs. Incredible with like a gray mask, and then the wishable that comes out of the bag is baby Jack Jack holding a cookie. So if you've ever been on Incredicoaster, that's like the theme around it, is Jack Jack wants his chocolate chip cookies, and at one point you go through like this tunnel and it smells like chocolate chip cookies. It's pretty cool. It is baby Jack Jack, so he has his cookie that he took a bite out of with his mask on and his little hair. So with my wishables, I always cut the bottom of the bags, and then that is how I pull them out instead of tearing the top. It is better for trading, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these cut open without looking at them. All right, let's go. Alright, so all my bags are cut and we are ready for our first pull. I did want to make a note. These are still only $9.99 online. However, in the parks, they are listed as $12.99. So I'm not sure why they are upping the price in the parks. We as in like the people on my Wishable Facebook groups, we thought that they were going to be listed as $12.99 for like the new series, but they were still $9.99. So I'm not sure why they're charging more in the parks, but anyways, let's get started and do our first pull, which is, who do we think it is? I think this is Dash. It is. So the reason I thought it was Dash is because I could like feel his spiky hair. Oh, he's cute. So here's a close-up of Dash. He has his little spiky hair. And then they obviously have the Incredibles suit on with their mask. There isn't anything on the back, but that is what Dash looks like. All right, number two. Let's hope not for Dash. I'm not gonna feel it. I'm just gonna pull. Oh no. Oh no. We got another Dash. Oh no. I'll link my other wishable unbaggings down below, but I just have a bad feeling about this. I think they're all gonna be Dash, guys. I think they're all gonna be Dash. Okay, next one. Oh yes, it is a Violet. Oh, she is cute. Her face looks kind of wonky. Is Violet. So she has her long hair and her headband. That is Violet. Awesome. So like that's cool. We have two out of the four technically. We got one trader. We have one bag left. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, we have another. We didn't even get. Oh, you guys. We have another Dash. Okay, at least we got 2 out of 4. This is where I normally buy more than 4 bags, but I I wasn't going to buy this series, and then I got suckered into it. So we ended with 3 dashes. So if you guys have a Mr. or Mrs. Incredible to trade, I would love to trade with you. And then we have Violet and Dash, and then baby Jack. So here are the 3 kids. We just need their parents now. They're pretty cute. I do love the Incredibles, so I am happy that I got these. I will definitely just have to find a trader for my 2 other dashes, but that's not too bad. Hopefully I'll be able to find somebody to trade with me soon. I have like a box of traders that I need to go through, and I have a list of the ones that I'm missing for my other series that I'm collecting. But who knows what we don't know what August is going to be. We haven't heard any spoilers. Some people think that it's going to be around food and wine, which would be really, really cool. I think I'm going to definitely get them if they're food and wine. I'm going to try and not get them if there's something like random, but they always sucker me in, so I probably will. I'm really hoping, side note, I'm really hoping that they will have some for the 50th in October. I'm hoping the Wishables October series is going to be like around the 50th, which those are probably going to be like so hard to get because everybody's going to want those. But anyways, it was a decent unbagging, I guess. We got 2 out of the 4, but we have 3 dashes. So definitely going to look for traders, but yeah. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. These Wishable unbaggings are pretty quick, but thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys collect Wishables. Do you like seeing these type of videos? I know I do, but let me know if these interest you. Should I keep buying Wishables so I can keep making these videos for you guys? And let me know if you have Mr. or Mr. Why do I keep saying that? Mr. or Mrs. Incredible to trade. I am going to go ahead and post that on my trading group right now, so I might already have a trade by the time this video goes live. But let me know in the comments down below if you have a trader, and I will definitely let you know if they're still available. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.